Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna draw Sasuke. So let's start drawing with a 4B pencil. The tutorial is gonna be easy, so make sure to watch till the end to draw Sasuke. And also quickly like the video before proceeding furthermore. And I also have a good news to tell you guys, and it is I just completed 200 subscribers on YouTube. And thank you for your support and love for me. And let's stay together and keep on learning and complete my first dream of 1000 subscribers. And if you guys keep on watching my videos till the end, it helps me more rather than subscribing to my channel. So make sure to watch the videos till the end besides subscribing. In the sketches, if you see, everything is connected to the other and there is always a link between everything. So I'm drawing the sketch by creating a link between everything and connected each and everything to the other, as you can see. And I just drew these two lines to draw the other eye so that it will stay equal to the first one. Let me know if you are drawing along with me, and if you really drew this sketch, then send me the picture on Instagram, and here I'm showing my username on the top of the video. And now let's just focus on the video and keep on drawing. And here for locating the nose and lips, I have drawn a center line so that I will be able to draw them in the straight line and in the center. So now it's time to do shading, and I have a 4B graphite in there, and now doing shading in the hair with a blending stump. I'm doing shading with a blending stump because it takes much more time to do shading with a pencil in a wide area, so I'm just doing that. And now it's time to use a pencil, and here I have the smallest pencil and it's a 3B one, and I am using it for the further shading now. I just made a basic little beginner tutorial, so I hope it will help you to draw Sasuke. And if you want more tutorial like this, tell me in the comments and subscribe to my channel so you will get notification of everything. And here now I'm using a sketching razor pen just to create some shines in some parts like this. Now I'm using a blending stump for blending, but this sketch is okay even without blending, but let's do some. Sketches are okay without blending, but I'm not okay. So our blending and the sketch are about to done, and let's go to the final look. I really hope to meet you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Watch the last video if you want to try a sketch of Naruto Uzumaki.